Good morning. I want to start off today by recognizing our outstanding student athletes for their hard work and commitment. To have multiple sports, men's and women's basketball and women's swimming and diving, qualify for competition at the national level is outstanding. Congratulations. It's been a true thrill for all of us to see our student athletes do so well in competition, but I have been equally impressed to see the character and grace that our student athletes have shown during those competitions, including during some difficult losses. Thank you for making the Crimson Hawk Nation very, very proud. As we come into the home stretch of the spring semester, there are a lot of things happening at IUP, so bear with me. I want to encourage you to participate in upcoming town halls and programming that brings us together as a community. Employees will be seeing each other today at 11:30 in Fisher Auditorium for a town hall on the tuition affordability plan and updates on finances and enrollment, and again on April 12 for a discussion on bringing the strategic plan to life. Stay tuned for information on additional upcoming town halls, including one especially for students. I also look forward to congratulating 170 employees who have completed 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40 years of service to this university on Wednesday. We appreciate you. Thank you for your dedication to IUP. Thanks to everyone who helped to make the IUP Day of Giving last week a great success. A total of 103 donations raised $35,000, well exceeding our goal and meeting the matching fund challenges by Terry Serafini and Colonel Stephen Abel. These matching funds directly impact students in the form of scholarships. The Day of Giving was part of the ongoing university family fundraising campaign, Hawks Helping Hawks, which continues during the month of April. One of the core principles of our strategic plan is a commitment to creating an environment that encourages the growth of diversity, equity, and inclusion. We can all benefit from talking with one another and hearing from folks who are important leaders in this field. Backed by popular demand, guest presenter Justin Brown, a 2013 master's graduate of IUP, will lead two thoughtful virtual workshops on implicit bias for the campus community next month. The student workshop will be held on April 7 from 6 to 8 p.m. An employee workshop will be held on April 14th from 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. You can register for the workshop on the Social Equity website. I was very happy to welcome 5 outstanding Young Alumni Award recipients to campus this past weekend. Not only do they bring honor and pride to IUP through their accomplishments, but they demonstrate their continued dedication to our current students through classroom visits and presentations. In a couple weeks, we will welcome additional outstanding alumni for the Alumni Distinguished Alumni Awards program. It's very gratifying to see how committed our alumni are to this university and how they want to give back to students with their time, talents, and treasures. Students, if you have the chance to meet with these alumni when they return to campus, please do so. I know you will find it inspiring and rewarding. Now, next week is one of my very favorite times in the life of this university, Research Appreciation Week, April 4 to April 8. Most events this year are in person at the Kowalczyk Convention and Athletic Complex. We have a lot to celebrate when it comes to research, including IUP's new designation through the Carnegie classification as a doctoral university high research activity, an R2 university. More information about the schedule of events is on the IUP website and will be in IUP Now. I encourage you to attend these events as your schedule permits. The Scholars Forum is always one of my favorites. It's Wednesday, April 6th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and includes the Scholars Forum juried art exhibition, as well as the poster and oral presentations. The 3-minute thesis competition that day at 1 is also extremely interesting. We will celebrate women in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, on April 4, hearing from a microbiologist discussing her challenges as a female scientist in a male-dominated profession. We will also recognize the recipient of the Dr. Patricia Hilliard Robertson Scholarship, honoring the late Dr. Hilliard Robertson, a distinguished Alumni Award recipient who was a physician and an astronaut. A new event this year is Indiana Regional Medical Center, or IRMC Day, on April 7th. This is a don't-miss event for students interested in health professions. The day includes updates on IUP IRMC collaborations, a presentation on rural health with nationally known expert Dr. Randall Longenecker, and a networking lunch for students with healthcare professionals. Check out the IUP website for more information and to pre-register for this event. I want to say thank you again to the IUP community who have diligently and patiently followed our COVID-19 mitigation policies and procedures. It felt really good to announce no positive student cases this past week. But that, of course, does not mean that the pandemic is over. Please continue to take care of yourself and one another and to respect individuals who choose to wear masks or those who ask that masks be worn in their offices or residence hall rooms. Finally, I want to recognize the positive behaviors of our students and visitors during this past weekend. Thank you for demonstrating your respect for yourself, for this university, and for our host community. And go Crimson Hawks! And remember to wash your hands.